warm welcome, my dear children. I hope you all are keeping well. So, today we are going to start with another chapter, that is Climate of India. Okay, India, as we saw in the last chapter, it is a land of great physical diversity. As a result of this, there is a great variety in the climate, natural vegetation, and wildlife found in the different parts in India. You all can see in the map. Okay, in this chapter, we will take a closer look at the climate, natural vegetation, and wildlife of India. Okay, now the climate of India. The climate of India is broadly classified as the tropical monsoon climate. Okay, however, within this broad classification, there are several regional variations. Okay, you all can see in the map, it is showing hot, okay, warm, cold, okay, different type of the climate you will get to see in India. Okay, this variation is caused by the different factors. Okay, there are so many factors, because of that variation exists in the climate of India. Now what are these factors? This latitude, okay, everyone can see latitude, altitude, pressure, force. These all are the proximity to the sea. These all are the factors that affect the climate of India. Okay, now first one we will see the latitude. Okay, the latitude, how latitude affect the climate of India. You all know that India extend almost over 30 degree of latitude from tropical to the temperate zones. Okay, 30 degree of latitude from tropical to temperate zone. The Tropic of Cancer, you see this line, everybody can see this line. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the center of India, dividing it into tropical southern zone and tropical southern zone and temperate northern zone. Okay, the northern half of the country experience a distinct season, while the southern half, being closer to the equator, being closer to the equator, does not experience much seasonal variation. Okay, now next we will see longitude or proximity to the sea. Okay, proximities to the sea. Proximities to the sea means it is a nearness to the sea, okay, or distance from the sea. A nearness to the sea influence the climate of the coastal peninsular India. You all know the phenomenon, or you all know the mechanism of the land bridge and the sea bridge. Okay, we have already discussed about this. This make the climate in this areas equable with the low diurnal and seasonal ranges of temperature. Okay, now next we have altitude. Okay, the height of a place above the sea level influences its temperature. Temperature, as we have already learned in our previous chapter, that it falls at the rate of 6 degrees Celsius for every year 1,000 meter of ascent. Okay, this is the reason why, okay, here you all can see, higher the elevation, the colder the temperature. This is the rule. Okay, because of this region, the hill stations like Ute, Darjeeling, Nainital, Simla, Mussoorie, okay, in the north remain cool throughout the year. Okay, the people from the plains usually go to the hill station in summer to escape from the heat. Okay, because higher the elevation, cooler the place. Okay, so this is the rule. So altitude also affect the climate of a particular place. Okay, the next we have this, the mountain ranges, a direction of the mountain ranges, or the effect of relief. Okay, this you all can see the standing tall. Okay, sorry, just wait. With this standing tall, the Himalayas, to protect India from the cold continental air masses of Central Asia. Okay, thereby ensuring our winters are not too severe. Simultaneously, the Himalayas also bring rainfall to the northern and the eastern India, by blocking the monsoon winds and preventing them from drifting beyond the India. Okay, so this is the great role played by the mountain ranges or the direction of the Himalayas. Okay, then we have next is the monsoon winds. This is a very important factor that affect the climate of India. Okay, that this monsoon we will discuss in detail in our next class. But first understand what is monsoon. The monsoon winds are seasonal winds that bring life-giving rain to most part of India. The monsoon are the most important parts of India's annual cycle of season, impacting the million of lives with their timely arrival or failure to arrive. Okay, so these are the important factors that affect the climate of India. Okay, in the next class we will discuss with the season. We will discuss about the season in India, and we will also discuss the monsoon. Okay, mechanism of monsoon. Okay, this much for today. Thank you. Stay safe and happy.